Alright. We got a big old box here today. Looks like it's absolutely full of foam. Sorry about the low light, but there it is, 246 transfer case. Been rebuilt and remanufactured, I guess. Alright, it looks like it came from, let's see, Bulldog Tough Gear Shop. Got some various things to look at, you know, U-joints, things like that. Make sure the oil's in there, and sensors, shift motor. That's pretty cool. Rear drive shaft yoke, yeah. Alright. There's our unboxing of our new remanufactured transfer case from the gear shop. And I'll leave a description below on Amazon where you can get this. Awesome.